I was told I could take this mower, this pressure washer motor, and put it on this lawnmower with a little modification, a part, whatever. So I'm going to try to do that. I'm going to start by taking the bolts out of the bottom of this to get this motor off. There's only one left. So I'm going to go ahead and take that last bolt off. Apparently the crankshaft's shorter on these or something. Got to buy an adapter to put on them. I may buy an adapter or I may figure something else out. This shaft might be long enough. So there's the pressure washer motor. String. Looks like it's a 14. Loose. Probably needs a blade, but this is just, I didn't have a lawnmower, somebody gave it to me, so I'm just, let's see what it does. You can upgrade the blade later. Let's see if this blade, this adapter. Dripping out of the motor. I'm going to use it as lubricant to see if it helps. You know it will. Take this motor off. I'm not a lawnmower mechanic, but I am a mechanic. There's not even a hole for the fourth bolt, there's just 3 bolts on this motor. Well, I got this off. keyway yet. This one already has a keyway. So I was doing that hammer trick that you guys seen right before the camera shut off. And that's how I got this off. Sometimes the shaft that I just put this on, the crankshaft, doesn't have threads on it, so you gotta watch for that. Mine had threads. The shaft is just the same length and everything. So I got super freaking lucky. So how I took that off, I put my feet against the motor here and I did like this. And when you hit this, it comes right off. So I can bring the deck back in here, put the motor on, and then I can actually put this piece of the blade on them then. So that's what I'll do next. I gotta find some bolts. It's gonna go on like this so our pole cables reach. The pole cable's the same way. Pretty cool. And it works. Got one bolt in. I gotta find some more bolts. Found some nuts and bolts to put the motor on. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them up. Put our adapter on, like so. The blade, you can tell that the adapter piece went on this side, bolt on that side. So, put that on, and put our bolt in. Hopefully. Probably just has some rust in it or something. Or maybe it's a different head pitch. We'll see. Probably got rust in it, so we're going to try to drive her home. If we get the blade to sit on there. hit it a little bit to make sure them dowels sit in there. Try to tighten it a little bit more. It's tight. Spins. I heard compression in the motor. Well, she runs. I got her bolted up, it runs. It's leaking gas right there. I didn't put my pull cable back right there, and I didn't hook up my throttle cable because it has this adjustment. So I just set it whenever I start mowing and leave it like that. I gotta replace this hose right here. So besides doing an oil change and taking off the throttle bracket that I don't need, the pull handle thing I don't need, and changing this fuel hose, and I did an oil change. But got the yard to start, half the yard mowed. This side's not mowed yet. Stopped right over here. But she does good. So you can swap out a Briggs and Stratton 6.5 horsepower motor, Quantum 6.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton on a Murray lawnmower with no modifications. You just take it off, bolt it back on.